I feel like a villain, life is a dream, but the door's not ending. So order the guys of love I'm sending. She don't want me for real, she protect.
It's your boy Shawn, aka ShawnShawn YC. We back with a brand new video. This is day 75, 100 days doing 100 muscle-ups. We got off work early and we in the gym with it. Alright, we would have did our muscle-ups. We would have did our muscle-ups outside, but it's pouring. It's been pouring all day. Like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell on. We got bro here. Yes, sir, we got bro here. So we about to start day 75 and get this shit over with, you heard? At 5 to start of the day. We gotta turn up real quick. We had 10. We had 10, bro. We gotta make it to 25. Yes. Got my spot. Yes. It's lit. It's lit. Now let's get money. This is the bar I was waiting for. Let's get money. Need 5 more to get to 25 to start off the day, you heard? Like, comment, subscribe. We're on 25 to start off day 75, 100 days doing 100 muscle-ups. Y'all know what's going on. on, we at 40. We need 5 more to get to 50 on the day. Like, comment, subscribe. We on 50 on day 74, bro. I gotta be pussy, bro. Cause why do niggas ever just walk past the camera to walk back across the camera, bro? Like I'm butt. Like, comment, subscribe, though, bro. We on 50. Come on, bro. We at 60, bro. We need 15 more to get to 75. We at 65, bro. We're taking our time with this shit and we pacing ourselves. We're getting money. I know what's going on, bro. We got 75 on day 75 of 100 days on 100 muscle-ups. We need 10 more. Finish off. We need 10 more to get to 95. Like, comment, subscribe. We're on 95. On day 75, 100 days on 100 month love. Yeah, I know what's going on, bro. We at 95, bro. The last 5 gotta be clean as possible. Y'all know the vibes, bro. I know what's going on, bro. Like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell on. Day 75 is complete. Back again tomorrow for day 70. Wait. Day 75 is complete. Back again tomorrow for day 76, you heard? Word. Like, comment, subscribe, I know what's going on.
I feel like a villain. Life is a dream, but the door's not ending. So order the guys of love I'm sending. She don't want me for real. She been